In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a secure form for sensitive information. Whether you're collecting payment details, passwords, or personal data, it's crucial to protect that information. And today, I'll guide you through building a secure form step by step. First off, you need to make sure your form is hosted on a secure website. That means using HTTPS. If your site doesn't have an SSL certificate, get one as soon as possible. HTTPS ensures that any data entered into your form is encrypted while it travels over the internet. Now let's talk about form fields. The fewer you have, the better. Only ask for essential information and avoid unnecessary fields that could expose sensitive data. This keeps your form simpler and less of a target. Next up, validation is key. Make sure your form fields are validated both on the client side and the server side. Client-side validation ensures users fill out the form correctly, while server-side validation checks the data before it's processed or saved. This is especially important for protecting against SQL injection attacks and ensuring data integrity. You should also use strong encryption for the data that's being stored. Any sensitive data that needs to be saved should be encrypted using secure algorithms like AES. This means that even if someone gains unauthorized access to your database, they won't be able to read the sensitive information. Another key step is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for users who are submitting sensitive information. This adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that even if a password is compromised, the attacker would still need the second factor to access the account. Make sure to implement rate limiting for your form submissions. This can prevent automated attacks, such as bots trying to brute force their way into accounts. Rate limiting restricts the number of form submissions from a single IP address within a short time frame. Don't forget about audit logs. Tracking every action taken on your form can help you detect suspicious activity quickly. If there's ever a security breach, having logs will allow you to trace the problem and take action fast. For additional protection, always use a reCAPTCHA or CAPTCHA to prevent automated submissions. This is a simple yet effective way to stop bots from overwhelming your form. Finally, keep your software and systems up to date. Regular updates patch known security vulnerabilities, and this is something you should never ignore. Keeping everything updated reduces the chances of your form being compromised by known exploits. So, I've tried a lot of the most popular form building software, and for the best security features, I recommend the software we're using today. You can find an exclusive free trial link for it in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. Follow along with the trial and see how easy it is to implement secure forms for your site. Before I wrap up, remember, building a secure form isn't just about encryption. It's about implementing the right practices, like using HTTPS, validating input, encrypting sensitive data, enabling 2FA, and monitoring for suspicious activity. Stay proactive, and your form will be much more secure. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial from the description if you want to start building secure forms right now. Key takeaway: to build a secure form, focus on encryption, proper validation, and protecting against automated threats like bots. Keep it simple, secure, and monitored. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.